Like, have you ever just taken your hair and just... Hey beauties, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am here to show you how I take down my rope twist. So the last time you all saw me, I had put the rope twist in. That was about a week ago. It was an awesome video. Go back and watch it if you did not see it. But today we get to take these out because it's been about a week. So I usually keep them in about a week and then take them out. So it's time. It's definitely time. So let's get into it. Alright, so first things first, we have to get these rubber bands out. So you all remember in the last video, we tied the ends with the rubber bands, and what I'm going to do is remove the rubber band and untwist them. So let's get started with that. So when I untwist these, some people like to pull them. I just like to twist them in the opposite direction. I don't want it to lose its form. So you see how I just untwisted those? And it's wavy and it's really cute. So that's how I'm going to do the rest of them. Did you all see that? This rubber band just popped. Now, a lot of them, because they've been in for a week or more, well, it's been about a week and a couple of days, the rubber bands are already ready to come out.
Okay. Oh, I stay ready. Okay.
So, some of them have already popped already, but they're just kind of hanging on, and then some of them, as soon as I touch them, they're going to pop. So, yep, that's what we're working with. But as you can see, the waves and crinkles are coming out nicely. Look at that. So cute. Alright, I'm just going to speed through the rest of these, and then I'll show you all how I moisturize them after we're done. I tell you all, taking these out is so much easier than putting them in, and it's so much faster. I'm going to be done with these in no time. All right, I am done. No, I'm not. Hold on. Speaking prematurely, there's always that one that's still there. Okay. Hold on. Okay. I'm just making sure I got all of them. There we go. I am done. Do you see? Do you see how nice this is? Let me turn around so you can see the back. It's nice, y'all. Do you see how wavy it is? So cute. So This is why I love rope twists, because like I said in my previous video, it's a 2-in-1 style. You put the twist in, that's one style. You take them out and ooh, 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 do you see that volume? Do you see the waviness? It's so cute, so cute. So anyway, now that I have the twist out, what I want to do is moisturize my hair. Now, I have been moisturizing my hair while it was twisted, but now that I've taken them out, I need to add a little bit more oil to it. So, y'all know the beard juice is where it is. I love, love, love this beard juice. For those who did not see my previous video about the beard juice, listen, this is life. So, I'll have the information linked below. But this is what I'm moisturizing with. It's an aloe vera juice based moisturizer. So I'm just going to spray all over, mainly at the root, because I really don't want the ends of my locks to, you know, I don't want to lose the style too quickly. So alright, now spray it at the root, and now it is time to moisturize. Oh, for those, again, my previous video, y'all have to see the previous video so that you can get information on what I'm using. But this is my little oil mixture that I use. So I'm going to add some oil to my scalp. And I love the bottles that have the little point at the end so that I can get in there, you know, put it right on the scalp. Don't forget the front. I'm just putting some oil all over and then just gonna massage it in. I know I'm just making a face that looks like it hurts, right? It actually feels really good. So massage that on in. Put some along the edges just to kind of, yeah. But this is how we are looking. So, so nice. So what I'll be using to spray the ends of my locks is this Carol's Daughter Black Vanilla Shine Enhancing Hair Sheen. So love this. As you can see, like everything is rubbed off, but I love this. I'll see if I can insert a picture so that you can see clearly what it looks like. But this smells so good. It's black vanilla scented, so smells so good. So I'm just gonna spray that along the ends of my hair. This is one of my favorite sprays to use, just to give it some sheen. Oh, that smells so good. Like, have you ever just taken your hair and just...
What is that amazing smell? Chocolate.
Smells amazing. Amazing. So, this is what I do for my hair, and then edges. So, I'm not super pressed about my edges. I know some people, you know, they're really, you know, pressed about the edges, but usually I'm not. But if I do decide that I want to do my edges for whatever reason, this is what I use, which is also by Carol's Daughter. This is the Black Vanilla Edge Control Smoother, Moisture and Shine. So what I can say about this is that it doesn't have like an extra strong hold, but it does lay your edges down. It makes it look neater, but it doesn't give it like that, I don't know, it doesn't make it too flat and smooth. I wish I could explain it a little better, but, and this smells so good too. Oh my gosh, that black vanilla is everything. But that's what the gel looks like on the inside, and you just use a very little bit. Yeah, anyway, this is the finished look after taking them down. And of course, you know, throughout the week I'll put them up, I'll have them down, I'll do different things to it, but it'll still have the waviness that I love. So that is it for today's video. Thank you so much for joining me. If you like this video and if you like content like this, go ahead and give me a like. Make sure that you subscribe, because we would love to have you as part of the family. And I will see you in the next video. Take care.